Hello friends. Friends, in this video, we learn what is holding and how to provide holding in glass relay. In this video, we learn very easily how glass relay works, also learning how glass relay NO and NC terminal works and proper connection of glass relay. If you are beginners in electrical field, then you have to know how glass relay works, how to hold glass relay. So let's start and understand step by step. For holding connection, we use 8-pin glass relay and base of 8-pin relay. First understand what is holding. Holding is nothing but to hold a starter permanently. Okay, if you know we holding provide in dual starter, star delta starter as well as reverse forward starter to hold our motor starter. That means when we press start push button, our starter will hold permanently. If you not provide holding in the starter, then if you press push button, your starter will operate, but only for when you press push button. If you stop pressing push button, their starter will stop. So holding is nothing but to hold a starter. Now it is very important to know how to hold a glass relay, because in electric field you will need to hold a starter, and by operating glass relay you have to operate other contactor or other devices. So you need to know how to hold a glass relay. So let's start. And first understand glass relay terminals and working. After that we learn connection of glass relay. For this connection, we use 8-pin glass relay which operate on 220 volt. Glass relay also different volt to 24 volt, 11 pin. You can also that 11 pin, 14 pin. Then no need to understand terminals or voltage. You have to know just basic working of glass relay. If you know basic working of glass relay, then you can done connection any of the glass relay. Okay. So first understand 8-pin glass relay, how it works, how its NO and NC works. First understand base. Okay. It is a base of glass relay. In glass relay we have some points here. You can watch here 7, 8, 1, 2. So you can watch here 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So first understand how it works. Okay. So 2 and 7. You can watch here 2 and 7 is a coil of glass relay. That means if your glass relay of 220 volt or 24 volt, then you have to provide 20. If your relay is 220 volt, then you need to provide 220 volt to the glass relay coil. Okay. 2 and 7. We need to provide 2 and 7 glass relay coil. 1 is a common, you can watch 1 is a common, and 1 to 4 is a NC point. That means if glass relay is in a stop position, then one supply goes to the 4 point, because 1 and 4 is a NC point. If glass relay operate, then one supply goes to the 3 point, because 1 and 3 is a NO point. Same process you can understand. 8 is a common point, you can watch here. And for 8 and 5 is a NC point. If glass relay stop, then 8 supply goes to the 5, and if glass relay operate, then 8 supply goes to the 6 number terminal, because 8 and 6 is a NO point. This diagram also given to the glass relay top side. You can watch here. It is a 11-pin relay or 8-pin relay. Also connection diagram given to the glass relay top position. Hope you clear the terminals of glass relay. Now we understand how to operate glass relay and how to provide a holding to the glass relay. Okay. We have 8-pin glass relay, then we have to provide 2 and 7 phase and neutral. So we connect 2 wire from control MCB, one for phase wire and second for neutral wire. Now first to operate glass relay. Okay. 2 and 7 we need to give 220 volt. So we connect a neutral wire to 2 number glass relay point. Okay. We provide a neutral directly to the glass relay, you can see here, and phase will give through the push button. Okay, neutral comes directly and phase comes from push button. Okay, for start stop. First we give phase to the stop push button, because when we press stop push button, our glass relay will stop. So phase first come in the stop push button, and after that we connect one connector from NC output side. Okay, we connect one connector here and goes to the start NO push button. Now we connect one connector from start NO push button output side and goes to the relay coil. If we press start push button NO element, then our glass relay will operate. So goes to the glass relay 7 number point here. Okay, we used this phase to the 7 number glass relay point of which is coil point. Now when we press start push button NO element, our glass relay simply operate, just simply operate. Nothing we have done for holding connection, we just wait for operate. Now first we fit glass relay, after that work see how it works. Okay, we start. देखिए our glass relay start, but only for when we press push button. Okay, stop, start. If we stop pressing, our glass relay will stop. If you want to start glass relay permanently, then you have to provide holding connection. Now understand how to provide holding in glass relay. So for holding is a simple process. We always connect, you can see dual starter holding. Okay, we provide phase N neutral to the coil and we connect a holding supply which you can take from NC output side or NO input side. Okay, we takes one wire from here because supply directly come here and connect to the contactor NO terminal directly. Okay, because supply comes directly to the NO terminals, and we connect to one wire coil to NO terminal common point. Okay, when our contactor operate, then this NO makes NC and supply comes here. Supply comes here and direct supply comes to contactor coil and our contactor operate permanently. It is a simple holding process. So same connection for glass relay. We first connect one connector to the glass relay coil 7 number point and goes to the any of the common point. Okay, we connect one connector to the glass relay coil and goes to the 8 number point which is common. You can also use 1 number point, but we use 8 number point which is common point. Okay, so we connect here one looping, because when we press push button, our glass relay operate and supply comes here. Okay, supply comes here. Now we takes holding supply which we take from start push button input side. You can also take from start push button output side, stop push button output side. We takes one looping from the start push button input side and gives to the glass relay NO terminal. 8 and 6 is the NO. Okay, so we connect one wire from glass relay 6 number which is NO with 8. Okay, so we connect here. When your glass relay operate, your NO makes NC and your glass relay will operate permanently because of holding connection. It is a very simple process of holding in glass relay. If you are beginners, then you have to know how to provide holding in glass relay. So let's see how it works. Okay, now we start control MCB. Our glass relay operate permanently. You can see that stop, start, stop, start, stop, start. You can also hold any of the other contactor or any of the device by using this glass relay. We will learn in next video. Hope you liked that how to provide holding in glass relay. If you like video, please press like button, and if you have any query, please ask in comments box. And for today's enough. We'll meet next video. Thanks for watching.